Hey, it's Andrea, and I'm gonna sing the song Hero by Mariah Carey. There's a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will not away. And then the hero comes along with the strength to carry on. You cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth, that a hero lies in you. It's a long road when you face the road alone. No one reaches out hand for you to hold. You can't find love if you search within yourself. The emptiness you felt will disappear. With the strength to carry on, you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive.